guys, show for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the New Balance 9060. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. Helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we cannot do this. So we are very grateful and we thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at New Balance's new line, and it's the 9060. I hope I pronounced that right. In fact, I hope it is called the 9060. If not, please let me know in the comment section below if I'm calling it wrong. Is it 9060? Is it 9060? Is it 960? Or is it 9060? I don't know. But we got these in the grey colorway, and we got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's the US men's 8.5. So with that all said, it comes in your typical New Balance box, but it's a new design and takes inspiration from 99X series, probably the best New Balances ever made, best sneakers ever made in my opinion. I'm always wearing my 990s from 990s V5s, and here they are. Look at this design right here. So the real name of this colorway is Mindful Grey Surf, and this is brand new. Like I mentioned, it's a brand new silhouette for New Balance, and this is really dope. Honestly, it's very futuristic. You got loads of the like high-end fashion vibes with the outsole, with the midsole looking, and it just looks like your classic 990s. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, and the design here, you can see that diamond patterning that takes inspiration from the 860 line, hence the 60 on the name of the sneaker. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is a dual density support right here on the midsole. You've got your absorb technology here as well as the SBS, so that's there for your cushioning, for your support. Obviously absorb is used on a lot of New Balance sneakers and it's tried and tested. For me, New Balance is one of the most comfortable sneakers I own, and hopefully that these 9060s follow suit. Looking at the upper, so this upper, you got a blend of mesh and you got loads of pig suede, so you can see just the mesh underneath, and you can see those pig suede up here as well, just at the toe box. It just is a beautiful cuts of this beautiful suede. You can see it all around the sneaker right there. And I just want to show you guys also at the lateral side, you got a New Balance. So you, in typical fashion, if you shine a bright light on this will reflect right here your typical New Balance logo. And on the medial side, it's actually stitched on here in this white. Still makes the N iconic. By the way, if you look at the patternings here, it does look like it takes inspiration from the 99X series. More importantly, the 990s and 992s. You can just see by the way that it's cut, as well as where the placements of the mesh is. The tongue is what I really want to show you guys. So this tongue is nicely padded, and you got the 9060 jewel right here, and this takes inspiration from the tongue logo. Forgive me, the 991 lace jewels found on the 991. Let's go back to the heel. So this heel has a plastic device here. I think this is just for a heel clip support. You can see the suede still up here, nylon there as well. You got your nice cuts of levers, mesh, the New Balance logo stitched on, and on the insole right there, you got the New Balance logo as well as the New Balance lettering. And the way that this font is used, it reminds me of the old school Apple Macintosh, well, the Apple Macs, back in the day when it used to be the big hench computers, the big wide computers. And again, so another thing that the sneaker takes inspiration from is early renditions of your PCs or Macs. I mean, Steve Jobs, rest in peace, he was often seen frequently wearing the 993s. So it's only right, I guess, that they pay homage to the inventor of Apple. So there's that. And also, the 9060 is another silhouette that was used in collaboration with Joe Freshgoods. And I wish I was able to get a pair of some other Joe Freshgood New Balances. However, we were unable to get the 9060, those sold out quickly. So we thought we'll try and review for you guys this Mindful Grey colorway. This, in my opinion, is probably one of the really interesting new looks. It's really cool for New Balance. This silhouette is brand new for New Balance, and the way that New Balance has been killing it so far in regards to their sneakers, everyone's been wearing them, whether it be, you know, your 327s, we've done tons of reviews of your 237s as well, so check those out, or your 990, 99X series, we've done those as well. Well, personally, it's a personal favorite of mine. Just wait for the 990 V6, and that should be releasing this year. And the way that they've killed it with all the collabs, you got Teddy Santis now from Amelie Endor, who is now creative director for New Balance. You got obviously Joe Freshgoods, Salehi Bembury, those guys killing it with their collaborations with New Balance. And as a whole, like everyone, you can see everyone wearing the New Balance 550s. It's probably overtaken the Nike Dunk in regards to that basketball classic look. But if you want to keep it new, if you want to keep it fresh, I highly recommend these 9060s. These are really dope. As I mentioned before, you know, 99X series is one of my favorite sneakers, in particular the 990 V5s. And this is going to be up there in regards to one of my favorite New Balances. Hopefully, you might see these in your lists of sneaker of the year. All that said, I'm really excited to try these on. First time wearing these 9060s. These are beautiful, these are innovative, and honestly guys, I'm really excited to try these on. Roll that footage of me trying these 9060s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. This is half a size bigger than what I usually wear for New Balance. New Balances I wear, or traditionally I wear 7.5 UK. This is a UK 8. However, like there is a bit of space at the front, and I wouldn't say it's massive slippages on the heel, but other than that, if I wanted that snug fit, maybe I'd go true to size. However, these are really comfortable, guys. And I'd say to take my word, these are like clouds, and they look so dope on. That's just my opinion right now, but hopefully you guys agree. Let us know in the comment section below if you agree that these look so dope. And again, guys, I think this is an instant classic that New Balance have dropped. Hopefully we're going to see these in future lines, like down the years. This will be one of those retros. I can see it happening. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.